load in it or something.
After they took the whole tree out.
Wow. Boy, quick work.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm going to do about that. We might end up
Puffer something into it.
might end up just using that parts car that I got. Use the back half of that. It'd probably be less work, and then just transfer everything over to the.
Did you end up getting that car?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, so
Where's it at?
it's at Emily's grandpa's old farm. So yeah. So as soon as I get this rebuilt, then I'll probably finish taking the rest of the stuff off, strip this bare, and then try to get that body over here and start getting it cleaned up. Because I think it'll be easier starting point.